was very curious about how does the internet work. I was coming from a background in economics, and I started to do some research on the economics of networks, and when I wanted to realize, I was suddenly making research on how does the internet actually works. And when I wanted to realize, I was actually doing a PhD here in Imdea Networks about it.
Yeah, right now we have the 5G network, so everything related to the whole mobile, basically, broadband service, which is being enhanced, and not only radio, but also the core networks, and the core networks and the applications running on top of that. So there's a lot of research in that area, which basically, involves, as I said, radio, different access technologies, also fixed. It involves, network virtualization, how to orchestrate complex services. We are distributing a lot of things and virtualizing, as I said before, and then how to basically operate services on top of that, not only within the mobile network, but also, over-the-top services, as we usually call them.
The main thing you see in networks is more of the same. So basically, we still have scale-up data centers. We still have, we have 100 gigabits going deployment in data centers. We have to scale up and figure out how 5G works and how we cooperate between cell towers and figure out how to, radio level and the network level and fast handover work and so on. And then we still have to fix all the problems in the end user devices in terms of, we haven't really made much progress in fixing the security and privacy of end user devices. So these are all challenges which they're like they were 10 years ago and 20 years ago and 30 years ago, except that they're like 1,000, 1 million and 1 billion times more than they were 10 and 20 and 30 years ago.
Well, I really enjoyed my time in Imdea Networks. I think that it's really difficult to find a good research center with top scientists in the area in most of Europe. I think Imdea Networks is one of the few leading research centers in the area of networks, certainly in Spain, and it's one of the most relevant in Europe nowadays.